Hello and welcome to shiksha.com. I am Deepak Singh and today I am in MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, Bangalore. In this university, today I am having a conversation with the Vice Chancellor of the university, Dr. Kuldeep Kumar Raina, sir. What kind of different schools, different education is being imparted here?
Ramaiah group of institutions was established in 1960s.
Okay.
So we have a huge legacy of over 6 decades in catering and nurturing the talent pool in different areas of education, specialization, and more so it is towards the professional education. So today, as Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, we have integrated 13 faculties together and they are divided into 3 different clusters. One is a strong focus towards the health science programs. Then we have STEM programs, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. In the last 5 years, we introduced the programs on the social sciences, legal sciences, liberal arts. So cohesively, as 13 faculties, we cater to 133 programs in total, and we have more than 10,000 students on our campus to study. But can we make them the future leaders of the corporates, of the best establishments that government is planning today, now, tomorrow, and in future too? So that is where we focus.
Will you be including more programs this year?
As the Vice Chancellor, I see a student who is getting admitted today, how we are trying to create a path for him or her for next 50 years of his career. And for that, what is relevant today may become obsolete tomorrow. So looking at revising, relearning from the curriculum and the best practices at the global level are being incorporated in our study processes. We provide them ample ambience and the opportunities to participate in co- and extracurricular activities.
Okay.
We have over 24 societies and the clubs where students take active part. There are sports opportunities. We hold various fests, tech fests, and give students opportunities to appear in the Smart India hackathons and many other such activities like animation. So they have to think differently.
Okay.
And for that, university provides them the best of the facilities, infrastructure, creating flexibility in the learning processes itself.
What kind of research infrastructure is available here in this university and how much focus are you giving to research and patenting here especially?
We have today wonderful group of faculty members who bring rich experience of academic qualification, industry expertise in diverse areas. And most of our faculty members are coming with doctoral and the postdoctoral experience from best of the institutions. To add value to it, we have collaborated with almost 100 institutions at the global level who provide us inputs, guidance, and academic partnerships.
So these are educational institutions or
Most
corporates as well?
Most of them are education institutions, but it is a corporate connect also. We have identified 5 different clusters of research activity in which we give a lot of emphasis on biomedical engineering applications because of our strength in health science programs as well as engineering and technology programs. Lot many projects are being executed by the faculty members where our students are also part and parcel of that. In that direction, you will be very happy to know, I think majority of our patents are in partnership with our students. We have been executing projects from Government of India, from different ministries, Department of Science and Technology, Indian Council for Medical Research. Then we also had projects from Department of Biotechnology, then Indian Council of Social Sciences, all these well-established Government of India bodies. And furthermore, from the Government of Karnataka too, we get some support. So this support encourages us to put best of the infrastructure in place and make students part and parcel of this activity. To encourage research on the campus, the university provides a support in terms of seed money research grants.
Okay.
In the last 2 years, I think we have spent more than 4 crores of our own resources to encourage young faculty members to write projects, and we support it. And to make full-time research a part of our activity, we provide research fellowships at postdoctoral level, at senior research fellowship level, as the junior research fellowship level.
Okay. You have 113 programs. How many labs do you have?
We have the best of the infrastructure in all these programs. In totality, we must be having 150 labs plus. We have 2 campuses. One is our health science campus, which is the Gyana Gangotri
This
campus.
is the campus.
This is one.
Okay.
Another campus is Ramaiah Technology Campus, which is housed in Pinia. Technology campus in the hub of industry area, and the health science campus in the hub of area where we have the proximity to Indian Institute of Sciences. There's a boundary wall here. Go to this gate, you have NIAS, National Institute of Advanced Studies. Go 500 meters from here, you will have the Indian Space Research Organization. Go slightly away, you have NIMHANS.
Okay.
On the C.V. Rama Road, we have Rama Research Institute. We have Central Brain Research Institution. So we are positioned, coordinates are such that the proximity to one of the best and the finest institutions in the country.
Do students get benefit of it?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Not only benefit, as a part of our curriculum, we provide 3 internships to students in a 4-year engineering program. Our students are also getting internship allowance from these industries, which varies from around 15,000 rupees to 65,000 rupees when he is a student. Some of our students also actively participate in space research projects, DRDO-based projects and all that. It is very heartening to tell you that as on date, most of our students, when they pursue higher education, and the number is really, it is very happy to share with you that we have around 30% students going for their education. And they choose the best of the places in Europe, in the US, in Australia, where they get the postdoctoral fellowships for pursuing the doctoral programs, the postdoctoral program, and the master's program too. You have people everywhere. I think that's the diversity which we harness from the campus.
Is multidisciplinary approach also being followed here in Ramaiah University as well?
Deepakji, Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences today is amongst few universities in the country which promote multidisciplinary. In 133 programs, most of them have that the knowledge transfer from one department to another. There's a cohesiveness in our health science programs with engineering and technology, with School of Social Sciences, with the School of Psychology. This integration is possible because we have such facilities available. In Academic Council, we have tried to put around 48% of curriculum which is hardcore subject oriented. We give them flexibility in 52% of the subjects. That means in the open elective basket, in going for the professional training, in health sciences, clinical, non-clinical. In engineering sciences, it goes more towards the industry aspects of it. In social sciences, getting collaboration with NIMHANS and other institutions. They become the functional activities of this complete curriculum to gain more and more experiential knowledge. So it is truly multidisciplinary.
How does MS Ramaiah University stands out among these different other higher education institutions which are here in this sub-zone of South India?
Nation today has more than 1,200 universities. I'll be honest enough in saying we are competing with ourselves. I am not competing with anyone else. Each university have their own mandate to execute, process and proceed. But MS Ramaiah University looks at our own competition. What is my priority is, others are doing good, but are we doing better than them? So if that is the case, this signal, this message is to everyone in the society, I have to compete to myself. So for that, they are doing good. I would say we are doing extraordinary.
A lot of promises, a lot of evidence here. Wonderful campus with established infrastructure, 133 programs, thousands of students, diversity in the campus, and special focus on research, multidisciplinary approach, and patenting and incubation as well. But what exactly is that you need to see yourself before taking a call on which university or college you should take admission in. Like I always say, step into the college, speak to the admission cell, speak to the admission counselors, take a tour of the college, take online, offline details, speak to the alumni students, and then decide which college you should step into for your higher education studies. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. And thanks a lot, VC sir.
Thank you very much, Deepakji. I wish you all the best. Wonderful interaction. I loved it.